welcome to the second edition of our Tablescape videos. We hope you enjoyed our last one and I'm so excited about today's. Today we're working with pinks, bold, beautiful pinks. It's the perfect color for bridal showers, baby showers, a nice brunch at home, even for a nice dinner. But I would say the key to using pinks, because it's such an out there color, is the fact that we use it in a really elegant, sophisticated manner. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. So let's have a look at our shortlist for our Pretty with Pink theme. We are starting with our gold show plates. I think pink and gold would be an amazing combination to go with. Also, because we're not using too many colors, what we have decided to do is to shade our pinks, go with an ombre effect, which is from light, medium and dark. I think these flowers are going to look brilliant. Besides that, as you can see, we've got basic cutlery, crockery, everything laid out for you. An interesting centerpiece that we've got from our rental website is these small little containers. Trust me, they're going to do magic really soon. Finally, just to accessorize, we have this pink little ribbon. I think we're going to use it to maybe tie our cutlery together. As you can see, we've already done a basic setup for you, but I want to show you how we actually did it. So these containers, the really important containers, you literally place them in rows of 3, and on this table we've actually used 180 pieces of these, and it looks very elegant. In these containers, we start with the darker shades of pink, and as you can see, while we move on, we're moving from dark, medium to light for the ombre effect. So let's start with our show plates. We've selected the gold show plate, larger plate and the side plate. Next step, I'm going to show you how we're going to use a specific technique for our napkin. Just fold it into half and then fold it into half again. Small little fold on the top, fold it in together. We're going to place it on our plate. To accessorize, I would like to take this vibrant gold cutlery and tie it together with that little ribbon that we had kept aside to accessorize at the very beginning. And instead of doing a bow, I think just a casual knot, a loose knot is something I'd like to go with. And then I'm just going to place this on top of my napkin. Final touches, this gold leaf and our glasses. So I really hope you enjoyed today's second edition of Tablescape, the Pretty in Pink. I think it looks fantastic. It's so elegant, so sophisticated. I love our ghost chairs, our 120 glass jars with beautiful flowers, and of course our tableware. You can find all of this on our e-commerce website. You can approach us, we can set it up for you, or you can do it by yourself. I hope you enjoyed the experience as much as we enjoyed curating it.